Well, welcome back to the Dyno Days video. As you can see, a glorious black EP3 with white alloys, very fetching. Today is at Dyno Days and it's had a RBC inlet manifold fitted, a Tegiwa 70mm throttle body and spacer plate, a Dyno Days induction kit and a hybrid racing fuel rail in dust red. That looks lovely, doesn't it? Lovely. Now we're going to do an ECU exchange and remap, so we'll probably run it stock as she is now, see what sort of figure we get, then do the ECU exchange and start tuning. So here we Honda Civic Ep3. Now, as you know, all Hondas require oil. Oil is the big thing. To keep them alive, you've got to put oil in them. We all know this. So, save money on oil by going to worldoflubricant.co.uk, putting in the code dyno at the checkout, and saving loads of money. It's as easy as that. Go and head over there now. How cool Deadpool is. Look, he's just spinning around there. Loving it.
Yeah, loving it.
There you go, black EP3 tuned up. Got some parts on it already. You had the 4:1 Tegiwa manifold and Tegiwa 70mm. And then Thomas has fitted the RBC inlet manifold, the Tegiwa 70mm throttle body with adapter plate and a Dyno Days induction kit, and then it was our job to do an ECU exchange and map.
It was.
How's that gone?
All right. Come out real nice, I think. Did the usual sort of thing. Obviously the car's a little bit up and down, obviously due to the modifications and not tuned for that. And then we've tuned accordingly, so smoothed it out real nice.
232.
A real dollop of power in the mid-range, I would say.
Yeah, why do they get so much power in the mid-range?
Lowering the VTEC makes the biggest difference with them. It's just, yeah, you're changing the cam timing dramatically in that area as well, aren't you? And obviously got VTEC open there, so it just, yeah, that's why we make a load of power. I'd say you probably got, what, 40 to 50 in the mid-range there, without looking, I would say. This is a quick do, and then smooth it out all the way through. So when you look at obviously when you look at the graph and you look at your power curve, you've got a relatively short window when it's on real good power, and it just looks like it sort of basically doubles it up, don't it? With extending the rev range and dropping the VTEC, it sort of doubles the power curve up, so it should be a real noticeable difference for the customer.
Yeah, it's still a hot day here today.
Yeah, it still was, because it's going to get warmer all week.
I can't handle that.
Yeah, it does. It says 31 for the end of the week.
I can't handle it, Rich. You know, in the winter when I'm too cold.
Yeah.
I can't handle that neither.
Can't have that. You're going to have to move countries then, mate, where they have a more stable climate.
I'd love to move countries. What country would you go to? Pick one quick.
Oh, God, I have no idea.
Pick one.
No, I don't like foreign countries. Got foreign people in them.
Well, you could just go Benidorm then.
Yeah.
It's full of Brits.
Yeah. Somewhere like that, that'd be nice.
I think beautiful Canada for me.
You reckon?
Beautiful Canada, yeah, for me.
What, just move into the mountains with a little wood hut and just...
Get abducted by aliens, and it's over.
Yeah, it's over.
Yeah.
Never speak to anyone again.
Never speak to anyone ever again. Live a sort of pastoral existence. Chop a tree down for fire, realise I can't chop a tree down, freeze to death.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Last about a week.
If that. Right, so another great one. Shall we look at the graph?
Let's have a look at the graph.
Let's look at the graph.
Well, there she blows. Red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves, finishing on 231 and a bit brake horsepower, 232 we'll call that. Loads of power in the mid-range, as Richard explained. Yeah, another one in the bag. So if you've got an EP3 Honda Civic Type R and you want some help, give us a shout. We sell all these parts and we're happy to assist you. Whether you want mechanical, servicing, tuning, modification, give us a shout. Yeah, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
Ready to elevate your ride? Nobody does it better than Dyno Days Performance Parts. Nobody. We're talking the best exhausts, the strongest ECU remaps, absolute top-tier parts for maximum performance. Other places, not even close. Our experts, the best in the business, give you personalized tuning perfectly matched to your driving style. It's incredible, really. People love it. Join a huge, growing community of real enthusiasts. Thousands already trust Dyno Days, smart people, great drivers, and they keep coming back. Go to dynodaysperformanceparts.com right now and transform your drive. Believe me, you're going to love it.